The International Building Code, Section 2903.10 addresses electrical boxes, stating they must be securely installed and supported to maintain proper alignment with the mounting surface. They must also be installed according to UL Standard 514B, electrical enclosures for use in hazardous locations. The International Residential Code, Section R314.31, also covers electrical boxes, specifying that firstly, electrical boxes must be securely fastened and supported to maintain proper alignment with the mounting surface, and secondly, electrical boxes should be included within stud spaces unless otherwise permitted by the code. These codes don't explicitly mandate that mud rings be flat and straight. However, they emphasize the need for electrical boxes to be securely installed and supported to maintain proper alignment with the mounting surface. An inspector might interpret that the mud rings initially installed did not meet the alignment requirement, possibly due to the rounded shape, which may not have provided a flat surface for mounting the electrical box. To address such concerns, one can consider these options. Firstly, use tile rings, as tile rings are flat and straight on the sides, providing a more secure and aligned mounting surface for the electrical box. Secondly, install furring strips. If one prefers to use mud rings, furring strips can be installed around the edge of the opening to create a flat surface for the electrical box to mount on. The core issue revolves around ensuring the electrical box is securely mounted and properly aligned with the surface, regardless of the specific type of ring used. The inspector's concern is likely rooted in the interpretation of whether the existing installation meets this fundamental requirement. It's essential to verify that the electrical boxes are securely fastened and supported, maintaining proper alignment with the mounting surface, as stated in both the IBC and IRC codes. The inspector's interpretation focuses on whether the mud rings in place achieve proper alignment. If the rounded shape of the rings is deemed to compromise the alignment, then alternative solutions, like tile rings or furring strips, are necessary to meet the code requirements. The ultimate goal is to ensure a safe and compliant electrical installation that meets the standards set forth by the applicable codes. The code requirements are about maintaining alignment with the mounting surface, ensuring secure installation of electrical boxes, and following UL standards. The code sections mentioned, IBC 2903.10, 1.2 and IRC R314.31, highlight the importance of secure and aligned electrical box installations. The inspector's concern stems from the potential misalignment caused by the rounded shape of the mud rings. Therefore, the recommended solutions focus on achieving a flat and aligned mounting surface. Tile rings offer a direct solution due to their flat and straight sides, while furring strips provide an alternative method to create a flat surface when using mud rings. The focus is on achieving code compliance and ensuring a safe electrical installation. The primary objective is to ensure that electrical boxes are installed securely and aligned correctly with the mounting surface. This ensures safety and compliance with electrical codes. The inspector's role is to verify that installations meet these safety and compliance standards. Mud rings are used to extend the box to the surface of the wall. Ensuring proper alignment is key to a successful installation.